It's always wonderful to come back to Goa again and again. We love Goa. We keep coming back here. We all are cinema lovers, and that's the reason we are here.
Monica! Oh my darling! Go and watch
Season 4!
only on Netflix.
Really proud and honored to be presenting the 4th season of Avda. It's a very, very big show on Netflix. It's a much loved franchise and मतलब इंडिया में इतने फैंस हैं फौदा के जब से सीजन 1 आया है तो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल बात है कि हम एक्चुअली इसी में उसका प्रीमियर कर रहे हैं सीजन 4 का सो सुपर एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर। आई थिंक उसका रीज़न यही है कि फौदा एक बहुत ही यूनिवर्सल स्टोरी है मतलब कि थ्रिलर है जो इंडिया में थ्रिलर्स बहुत ज़्यादा लोग कैरेक्टर्स इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग एवरीवन कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद द टेंशन ड्रामा तो बहुत ही यूनिवर्सल है एंड आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट जब से वो आया है सीजन 1 मतलब इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट watched series in India on Netflix, so very excited.
It's always wonderful to come back to Goa again and again. We love Goa. We keep coming back here. And I remember as a student at FTI, I used to come here to attend the festival, and those 10 days were the most special days of our whole year. And I used to stand like how you guys are standing today. It was so much fun because we all are cinema lovers, and that's the reason we are here to support great films, to support great pieces of art. And it's just thrilling to be here, and especially to talk to one of my favorite people from Fauda, and to be standing here with Monica, who is doing such amazing job with Netflix and creating the best content in the country.
First of all, Goa is amazing. We love India. It's a huge honor for us to be here as part of this festival, and thank you for inviting us. And yeah, more to come.
What's up? Very exciting, first time for me in India, and to see all those amazing people coming here to see the show, hear about the show. It's more than exciting, it's nuts, it's crazy.
You know, when we wrote the show, we thought that nobody was going to watch it. Just our father and mother, the family, that's it. But when it became such a big hit over the world, in India as well, so it was caught us by surprise. But we understand how we are connected, the Israelis and the Indians, you know. We have something in similar. And it's for us, it's amazing that it's become such a hit over here.
Yeah, he's a star. You can see that he's a star from the way he says, from the way he talks, from the feeling that he had the room today with him. He's a star. We're still waiting a few shows on Netflix also. And we love his guy.
We're going to collaborate for sure. We're going to play together, me and him. Avi, how do you do that?
Well, you know, it's a challenge. Listen, for the 4th season to bring the show for another kind of a peak, it's not that easy because every time after we finish a season, we think that's it. We cannot go bigger than that. We cannot go further than that. And at the end of the day, when we sit down and talk and discuss, we find something. We find some kind of a road, and at the end of the road, we bring kind of a good season. And hopefully going to like the 4th season too.
Wow. The one is in a, I don't know how to say it, but he's in a deep. I do miss Shireen, yeah. I do miss Shireen, yeah. But the one is in a very low position when we're meeting him at the beginning of the show, and he's getting lower and lower and lower during the show, and you have, you know, people think that the one is a superhero, right?
We don't really plan that the story will work internationally, so we should do it. I think what's most important that stories should really resonate with the audience, and first they have to resonate with the local audience, with our own Indian audience. That's very important. Every story has to have a gravitational pull, and then it has to have creators as powerful as Abhi, and your talent as powerful as Raj. And when you have a great mix, that is when a story works for its own audience and then goes and travels the world. So I think we have to really put the right ingredients, put the right soul and heart, and not really try to tell it for audience outside.
And I love this new name of the movie, Monica.
Oh my God.
Oh my darling.
Let's say it together, okay? Let's say it on 1, 2, 3. Monica! Oh my darling! Alright. 1, 2, 3. Go and watch.
Season 4.
Only on Netflix. Tanya, let's go.